Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, October 28th. This is David, and I'm taking a look at Tesla because we want to watch pretty closely the action here up at this 263 and 73 cent Voodoo fireline, right? So that's the level that that kept Tesla contained back here at the start of the year, sent it back down. It's what kept it contained here in July, sent it back down, and here in September. Now, while each of those led to a sell-off, the gap up on earnings, right, had some follow through here on Friday to above that level. We started the day today above that fireline level, but closed below it. So at this spot, bulls are going to want to see Tesla regain that fireline level pretty quickly. If we start breaking levels below it, that would put the weighting on hold, right? If we start to come through 255 and then 250, right? Breaking both of these snow lines, that leaves the door open to 241. But really, once we start the breaking of levels to the underside, right, that shows the potential, unless those can also be quickly recovered, that the Tesla is wanting to work its way downward from the fire line. Support above would keep the uptrend intact. So we really haven't closed much below there, but it is a warning in today's action that that maybe this fire line is sending things down again. So for my part, I'm going to wait to see support established north of the line, maybe even see a move back above the upper snow line above that fire line to really feel like Tesla has its mojo back. Otherwise, allow for it to come back in at this point. So that's what I've got. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.